Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You sign in and start by confirming the exact Microsoft account tied to Game Pass. This avoids swapping accounts and wasted steps. Once signed in, open the subscriptions page to confirm active, expired, or pending states and note the billing date. While there, check the payment method for expired card issues. Make sure to glance at Xbox Live Service status. If the service is down, fixes on your end won't help. Now restart the console to apply any cached account changes before proceeding. You update billing information next. Remove expired cards, add a fresh card or PayPal and retry the charge. This resolves most failed renewal cases. If you have a code or trial, redeem it under Services and Subscriptions and apply it to the correct account. Once done, check family or privacy settings that could block purchases or subscriptions. If problems persist, clear the console cache by full shutdown and unplug. Then remove and re-add your profile to refresh entitlements and license, sync across devices. You finish by launching a Game Pass game to confirm access and ensure download start. That practical test proves the subscription is active. Make sure your console and Xbox app are up to date so entitlement checks work correctly, and sign out/in if needed. If access still fails, capture any error code and contact Xbox support for account-level fixes. Meanwhile, try renewing or managing the subscription from a web browser as an alternate path. One key tip: error codes speed up support resolution. Read them aloud.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.